What's up, guys? Today we got a 2020 F250 Platinum. It came in, crank no start, lost all power while driving. I ran codes. It had no fuel pressure, rail fuel pressure. It had low side fuel pressure, no high side fuel pressure. So we went to the upper pump, the high side pressure pump. We pulled the volume control valve out of it, and we ran into a bunch of metal. The pump took a shit. You see all that metal right there. You can see it made it into that one too. And unfortunately, this truck needs a whole fuel system now.